Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm going to show you the new Samsung update now where you can install on your non-computer. Now, I know y'all been watching my other video to where you're able to do so, so I'm going to give you a whole new link now. The way the setup is super different now. It's a one-click install, so let's show. So first and foremost, you need to go to your start menu, okay? And then you're gonna type in PowerShell, okay? And you can run PowerShell as admin here, okay? And then once you run it as admin, it's gonna pop up here. You're gonna wanna copy and paste the link that I'm gonna put in the description, okay? So you're gonna take that link, and if your PowerShell is not, the higher requirement here is 7.0, then it's not going to work. You're going to have to install it, okay? And the way to install it is by typing in this command. I'm going to put it in the description below as well, but I'm going to type it in here. Okay, I just did it here. I'm going to press enter. All right, so now it is going to install the higher PowerShell. So that's going to be dope here. Okay, and then like I said, I'm going to put the link in the description below too as well for the PowerShell 7.5.4 if you didn't install it within the actual PowerShell. So then you're going to paste the link, okay? Oh wait, so make sure you have PowerShell ran as admin as well, the 7 version of it. So once you get there, you're going to run as admin. And then you're going to hit yes. And then once you do that, you're going to drag this over, and then you're going to paste the link there. And then there we go. We have the new Galaxy Book enabler. Okay. And then you're going to hit the enter. Now, the crazy thing is I already have a Galaxy Book, but I would spoof it with the Galaxy Book 4 Ultra, personally, but that's up to y'all. But yeah, I'm just gonna do 5 since I already have 5. Okay, so we'll do 5, right? And then it's gonna do the starting up task for you. It's gonna go through the whole 9. It says existing Samsung settings package detected. Okay, so it says continue anyway or skip setup. So you're gonna install it anyway. You know what I'm saying? So continue anyway. It's gonna do its thing. You know what I'm saying? Install support system. Yes. You know what I'm saying? I already have all this stuff, but for you, it's just gonna be yes, yes. Install it. Disable original. No, 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 no. No. Okay. No, we're gonna keep it going. Okay, you can do a clean install. It's already detected already. So I'm gonna hit cancel. But yes, so that's the way you're gonna go. So it's the newest package core that it has. So as you can see, it has core only, recommended plus, full experience, that type of thing, and then everything, which is pretty dope. But for me, I'm just gonna skip the package install. But you are going to install it, okay? You are going to install it. It's going to be really dope. And once you're finished, you should have everything on your computer as well. But thank you so much for your support. I'm glad it's an easier process now for 2026. So 2025 one does still work. I'm going to update both of those, but this is a one-liner now. So let's get it. Let's go. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.